Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about parametric assembly, robotic assembly, and we have a parametric wall and we want to uh, fabricate the wall by robotic assembly, and we will see how we can program the movement of the robot in order to arrange the bricks of the wall. Uh, okay, in order to model the wall, first I create some curves, and then I loft them, and from that surface I try to take one edge of the wall, as you see, and then I divide it. Then we need to put that points on the surface of the surface that we create with loft, and then we need to and we can create some curves from that lines that we by the points we can create. And then these curves helps us to find the place we can put the bricks. We need some planes that they are arranged by the lines. This type of the horizontal frames I use because the bricks are all locating vertically, but the frames are horizontal. So then we need, here you can see I use the box to put the boxes on frames, but I didn't use all the frames because I needed to make this a style and to have some free spaces between them. So I divided to two lists, and I just I put a free space in every frame, one by saying that it's one true, one false, so one exists, one no. Then other thing that we need the place that we can take the bricks. So I create another box there. I'm trying to say it to tell it very fast because it's I don't want to make it very complicated. Then after creating the model, and you need to program the robot. This time I use the mesh and a custom tool because I needed a gripper for taking and moving the bricks. So I use this. When you are using a mesh which represent your real tool that you use in your studio or workshop, you need to have the dimensions, and you need to tell it where exactly the point that on that point you can take the exactly the point that if it's a printer, the extrude the material comes out from there, or like here if it's a gripper, exactly the place that it can take the objects by it. And then you need some commands. One good thing about parametric robotic modeling is that you don't need to model all the passes one by one, and thanks to Grasshopper we can tell all the, for example here I have all the frames, all the places that the bricks are located, and also I needed to because in order not to have collision you need to before arriving to the place that you take the bricks, and also before the place that you put the bricks, to have a movement, to control the movement of the gripper, in order not to have, for example, if it goes directly from this place to this place, maybe after going front and back, after sometimes it breaks and hit to something, so it's better to have an extra movement. For that extra movement I moved the planes that I had for the place of the bricks, and also for the primary place of our first brick I also moved it. Before moving I duplicated, and how many? Exactly the same number of the bricks I have here, because later we need to tell the software that we have all these movements, and I use the linear movement here, but as you prefer you can use other type of the movements, point to point or something else. And the important thing is here to use the woven list of the software, of the plugin, which you can find it here, because with it you don't need to repeat every movement, you just give the list of the movements, and also it's important to arrange them exactly in the exact order that is necessary. For example, from the first position it comes to the approach point, and then goes down, and then goes up, and then goes to the top of the place that it must be located, and then goes down, and then up, back, down, and again it repeats for all the positions. Thanks to Grasshopper and Kuka plugin, it understands all the things, and you don't need to repeat all of them. And you need also to select a suitable robot, or if you have a robot in your workshop, use exactly the type of the robot that you have. I don't want to make it very long, just run it and we will see how it works.